Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in this video today I'm going to be talking about my personal income report with Kindle self-publishing. And I want to discuss the reasons behind why and how I became successful and how I had a successful month in the month of December. And the reason I'm creating this video, because as you know, usually I create videos about the mechanics of self-publishing and more instructional tutorial videos on the mechanics of Kindle publishing. However, I want to show you that I practice what I preach, right? All the strategies I teach, I also implement as well. And that's how I did $8,000 a month. And I just want to say this as the preface of the video. You know, $8,000 a month is just scratching the surface for the month of December. You can do anywhere between $20,000, $30,000, even $40,000 from other publishers I've spoken to in the month of December. And part of it is obviously following the things I've shown you in the videos. But again, I just want to show you the potential of money you can make with self-publishing, right? And in another video, I talked about the different factors that contributed to becoming a successful self-publisher, right? So book covers, reviews, Amazon marketing services, keywords, and book description. And the reason I made that video is because there's a lot of misinformation, and there's some publishing gurus who say, you know, just focus on keywords because keywords are everything, when that's not an accurate statement at all. It's like having a car. If you say all you need is the engine of the car to have it run, all you need is the engine for the car to run, that's obviously an inaccurate statement. You need not only the engine, but you need the transmission system, the brakes, the wheels, etc. So it's a combination of different elements that you need to use to become a successful self-publisher. So without further ado, let's get into the video content. So the month of December in it of itself is a reason alone why I made this that helped me make $8,000. The reason I'm saying December is a reason of its own is because in the month of December, there's an influx of customers that come to Amazon. People flock to Amazon in December. There's a higher traffic, a higher volume of people on Amazon because people are looking to buy gifts as books, or they're looking to buy for themselves. So that's one reason. And another reason is how I achieved $8,000 this month was children's books. So I have, as you know, I think I mentioned this in another video, I published a children's book in June, cost me $50 to produce. Didn't make any sales at all for that month up until December. And then in December, I closed in around $400 for that one book. And it obviously picked up because it was a great book as a gift for children. And it cost me $50 to produce, and I made $400, so I netted around $350. So Amazon marketing services, that's another must-have tool. I can't emphasize this enough. If you're not using Amazon marketing services, you are missing out. You are leaving money on the table. This is a must-have tool in 2019, and yeah, you just need to start using it. So here's another point I want to bring, and this is a point that other self-publishers and gurus or don't mention, and that's bundles. You know, a lot of people won't tell you this until you buy their course, but I just want to let you know that bundles is a huge factor and contributing factor that helped me make $8,000, because bundles are what people like to buy because they want more value for their money, right? And with bundles, you can charge higher royalties. So you can demand higher royalties for your paperback books and as well as for audiobooks. For the paperback books, you can make a minimum of anywhere between $12 to $25 at the minimum per book. With ACX, you can't directly control the price, but you can indirectly control the price by creating longer books. So lengthier books equal more audio time, which equate to higher royalties. So these are the factors that contributed to my success and how I made $8,000 this month for alone, completely passively, for the month of December. And I just wanted to show you my income report. I use a software called AK Book Report. It's a really neat software, and it keeps tracks of my sales on the daily. So as you can see, from December 1st to the 31st, I did 5,000 in royalties. So that's 4,000 in paperback and 800 in ebooks and 150 in pages read. And then it has another projected month feature. So that this is a really cool feature that it has, that it just averages out your monthly earnings and gives you the projected month, the potential amount you're going to make for that month, and it is subject to change depending on your daily sales. So that's 5,000 in paperbacks and ebooks, 5,000 in paperbacks, ebooks, and pages read, and then I did 3,000 in ACX alone. So that's 8,000 altogether. So 3,000 with ACX and 5,000 with paperbacks and ebooks. I will definitely do a video on my ACX earnings report for the month of December, as I made 3,000 in November. As you know, ACX, it has a 30-day delay before they pay you out, and I won't know my December numbers until January, the end of January. So I will share that income report with you too. I'm thinking I closed in around 3,000 or even 4,000, actually, the mid 3,000s to 4,000. I won't know again till the end of the month, and I will definitely do a video on that. So again, I was able to successfully do 8,000 completely passively this month because of the reasons I mentioned, and I just wanted to make this video to show you what's possible with Kindle self-publishing. That's going to be all for this video. If you found it insightful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.